Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by selecting 12 pounds of ripe Roma or plum tomatoes to yield about 8 to 9 quarts of sauce, or combine 8 pounds fresh tomatoes with 4 cups tomato paste for a thicker, consistent base. Core and halve tomatoes, blanch 30 to 60 seconds, then shock in ice water to loosen skins and remove them. Measure acid. Add 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice per quart jar or 1 tablespoon per pint jar. Keep jars clean. Use new lids and leave 1/2-inch headspace for safe vacuum sealing. Combine peeled tomatoes or tomato concentrate with onions, garlic, and herbs in a large pot and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook 30 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally until you reach the desired thickness and concentrated flavor. Add 2 teaspoons salt per quart and 2 teaspoons sugar per quart if tomatoes are acidic. Add delicate herbs in the last 10 minutes. If you include ground beef, sausage, or low-acid vegetables, brown them fully and understand that the sauce will require pressure, canning rather than a water bath process. Ladle hot sauce into hot jars, maintaining 1/2-inch headspace, wipe rims, center lids, and tighten bands fingertip tight. For plain tomato-based spaghetti sauce acidified with bottled lemon juice, process in a boiling water bath for 35 minutes for pints and 40 minutes for quarts at sea level. Increase time for higher altitudes per extension guidelines. If sauce contains meat or other low-acid ingredients, use a pressure canner following its instructions instead of water bath methods. After cooling, check seals in 12 to 24 hours, label with date, and store jars in a cool, dark place up to 12 to 18 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.